Hello everyone, as you already know, I turned 14, and from this YouTuber, Miss Clements, I got a new package from her. Yes, it's Thomas and Friends Minis, and hold on a second, let me close these. Let me turn this on. So, this is Thomas Friends Minis package, and I'll open this up to see what it is. I've been waiting all day. Got this during school, which was a bit shocking. Oh my gosh, this is really harder than I thought. I'm sorry, everyone. This is just... I'm sorry. Oh, finally. Alright, so the first one we're looking at is Neon Splattered... focus camera. Oh my gosh, my camera won't focus. My gosh, what's wrong with my camera today? Okay, it's trying to focus. And this is Neon Splattered Hero. Finally, my camera could focus. And my friend Lace It Up decided I could do an episode of my series called Shrinkway, where I can introduce these engines. And this one looks really good. Next one is Crayon James. Looking red than ever. Of course, red. Number 5. Looks pretty good. And then, oh my gosh, this one. Ferdinand. No. No, I'm not that fan of Ferdinand. Bash and Dash are good, but no, I'm not interested in Ferdinand.